In this video, you will learn how much should you spend on Facebook and Instagram ads per month or per day. There is not a right or wrong number here. You can spend as high as you want or as low as you want. You will need to be comfortable spending that amount. Now, you will need to be strategic when spending that budget. Remember, if you spend a higher budget, more people will see your ads, you will get more data, your campaigns will optimize faster. On the contrary, if you spend lower budget, less people will see your ad, you will get less data, and your campaign will take a lot longer to optimize. Therefore, if you spend a lower budget, you will have to run your campaign a lot longer. So, more money equals more data, and the data coming faster, and your campaign will optimize faster. Less money equal to less data, and your campaign needs to run a lot longer. A monthly realistic budget can be between $3,000 to up to $10,000, or if it is per day, it's $100 to up to $330 spent per day. Write in the comment if this video was useful. Like and subscribe to get more content on Facebook and Instagram ads.